Dear students, very good morning to all of you. Here I am Manjit Pramani. Today in this morning, in EVS class, we are going to learn different kinds of ears. Here you can see in the EVS book, this is looking around, and uh, in this chapter we are going to learn many things about ears. So, last class already we have done many things, many interesting activity about it. Today, in this morning, here you can see different animals have different kinds of ears. This is the fact of our environment, fact of our nature. Among the animals given below, which one have ears that you can see? There are many animals, their ears can be seen because they have external ears. Here you can see there are many type of animals, and already you have done the work given below. The animals here, they exchange their ears with each other and they enjoy the moment. Here you can see elephant, giraffe, buffalo, deer, mouse, all the animals, they have their ears, their own ears, but here they exchange the ears with each other. But all the animals here present, those have own ears. You can see in your surrounding area, in your locality, there are many animals, those have external ear, but some more animals, those have no external ears. So what is the fact about it? Here, this is the work for you. This is the homework for this day. In which animal can you not see the ears? Write in the table below. So here you can see two tables. One side you can see written on the table animals whose ears we can see. That means वो एनिमल्स जिसका कान, ईयर्स जो है हम देख सकते हैं। दैट मीन्स इसका एक्सटर्नल ईयर्स है। जैसे कि हाथी, आप देखते होंगे हाथी के बहुत बड़े बड़े कान होते हैं, सूप जैसे। तो इन आवर environment, in our nature, there are many animals those have ears, and those are external ears, and we can see very easily. But some animals in our surrounding, uh, with us, those have no external ear, so we cannot see their ears. You have to write down the names. Here you can see there are many animals name here: deer, tiger, pig, frog, sparrow, duck, fish, buffalo, giraffe, ant, snake, elephant, crow, lizard, cat. So all the animals you have to classify it into two categories. Some animals here on the screen you can see, those have no external ears and we can't easily see the ears. But some animals, those have external ears and we can see their external ears very easily. So you have to do, you have to classify the animals, uh, all the animals into two categories. Here you can see on the screen, this is the table, this is the table number 1, and this is the table number 2. You have to write down the name of the animals. Above you can see all those animals whose ears we can see. Those animals name you have to write down here in this table. 1 2 3 4 5 6, there are 6 places here. And another side, here this place, this table, there are also 6 places to write down the name of the animals those have no external ears and we can't easily see their ears. So this is the work for this day. आपको ऊपर दिए गए जितने एनिमल्स हैं उसको क्लासीफाई करके दो कैटेगरी में बांटना है। एक जिसके एक्सटर्नल ईयर्स होते हैं, जिसको हम एक्सटर्नल ईयर्स देख पाते हैं बहुत आसानी से, और कुछ एनिमल्स ऐसे भी हैं जिसके एक्सटर्नल ईयर्स हम देख नहीं पाते हैं। उसमें एयर ड्रम्स होता है जिसके तहत उनको वाइब्रेशन की फीलिंग्स होते हैं, और वाइब्रेशन से उनको पता चलता है कि हाँ, इनर ईयर्स जिसको हम बोलते हैं या फिर एयर ड्रम्स बोलते हैं, वो शब्दों को एहसास करते हैं, आहट को एहसास करते हैं, महसूस करते हैं। सो आपको यही काम आज के लिए करनी है कि आप या जो जितने एनिमल्स दिए गए हैं इसको क्लासीफाई करके दो कैटेगरी में बांट के इस टेबल पे लिख करके ग्रुप में भेजेंगे। आगे की क्लास में हम डिस्कस करेंगे कि इनर ईयर्स कैसे होते हैं, ईयर ड्रम्स क्या होता है, और कैसे आवाज़ को सुनते हैं वो सब प्राणी, वो सब एनिमल्स जिनके पास एक्सटर्नल ईयर्स नहीं है, जिनके ईयर्स को हम देख नहीं सकते। सो आज के लिए इतना ही। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।